So we've just come down to the breakfast dining. Looks like they'll probably cook you an omelette. Looks quite nice the way they've laid it all out. Rice in there. Fruit. Oh, that's very nice. Pudding. Cakes. Cookies. Mini cake in your drinks. Make toast. Toasted. So it's already cooked. There's an omelette in here, or egg. You help yourself. I love me omelettes.
Got really big pie.
And me eggs. I love eggs. This breakfast is very nice. More than efficient, adequate. Potato, chicken, egg, omelette, toast. There's bulbul ayam over there. Cakes, puddings. Good fuel for the day. Well, I don't normally eat this much for breakfast, this early in the morning, but more than enough, and more than enough on the menu. How was your breakfast, guys? Enak? Yep.
Organic suspension and leg patenggang.
Okay.
Situ patenggang. Situ
Three.
mean legs.
Oh, legs.
Ya, situ
So,
mean leg.
3 to go location?
3 tempat,
Yeah.
ya, 3 lokasi.
So 3 location today, and we'll be at some lakes. Downtown Bandung, morning, with our driver. One thing you do notice in Bandung, or Java, the roads very wide. Lot wider than Bali, that's for sure. Obviously, because they've got more room. Location. Our first location.
Kawah Putih.
And where's that, Donna?
Kawah Putih.
Yeah. Mountain?
Yeah, Kawah is a white
And the hill. Yeah.
white crater.
Kawah mean crater.
Oh, yeah.
Ya. Putih mean white.
Okay. That's where we are. Green Hill Park, West Java. Little Bimo, darling. Hello. So we're in the Bimo, heading up to the top of this old volcano, Ruti, and it's a white crater. It's called the White Crater, and we'll be up there shortly. $90.
Not 90, 90,000.
$9.
$9.
Yeah, that's better. Gee, we have a bloody heart attack then.
I'm not paying.
It's nice, cool here, I must say. Even when we got to Jakarta yesterday, we were saying how cool it was in Jakarta compared to when we left Bali. But we are elevated here, obviously. We're on the top of a volcano, a dormant volcano, and it's known for the white rock, apparently. So I'll get the name here. Kawaputi, I think's how you pronounce it. There it is there. Zoom up on that. It's okay, no worries. So there we are, Kawaputi, which is the white volcano. So I think we should get a water or something.
Really, what?
Water? Minimum?
The water. Yeah.
Over there? So nothing like Mount Egan. I was sort of expecting more of a hike for a couple of kilometres, but no, we're right here. We walk down these stairs because even Mount Egan, we had to drive a long way to get to the base, and then there was, I don't know, 2 kilometre walk or something to the top of the volcano, but we're right here. So being an old fella like myself makes it a lot bloody easier, I'll tell you. I'm starting to feel it in my knees and that nowadays. So you start to smell the sulphur now. I don't know if there's mining going on here, like the other place. You know what this reminds me of a bit?
What?
Think back in your memory. Cradle Mountain. When we went for that walk, Cradle Mountain. Tasmania, remember? It's sort of a bit like this.
Yeah.
You think so?
I don't remember anything in Tasmania.
Really?
No. I just remember someone sleeping the whole entire time. And I remember, in Tasmania, that was the first time I ever saw a worm.
A worm?
Yeah. We're at the caravan park.
Oh look, you see the you can see what's happening over here. All the smoke, all the steam, all the gas, I suppose. The sulphuric gases. So it's Sunday. It's a Sunday morning still. It's not quite 12 o'clock yet. I don't know if it's normally this busy. A lot of local people, mainly. Well, it is. It's all local people. I think maybe they come to the end of their holidays, and
Yes.
yes, yeah, and they probably may not be as busy after today, because a lot of them will be back at work. We built I don't know what you call that, a walkway out here. (2,194 metres above sea level, I'd say that means. A bit of a photo point there. But I'm going to go over here on that little point there and get a photo with that steam in the back. I'll probably make that me thumbnail, eh? Hey?
Photo?
Yeah. Yeah, but I want a photo here, darling, on that right on there.
Yeah, later on that
Later.
photo there.
Who's going from?
The photograph.
Oh, we have to pay, do we? Yeah. All right, I'm going to turn this off because we're getting a professional photo. Would want to be bloody professional when you got a professional right here. I think he's going to do a photo of us over here. We've just had the photo shoot. We're just choosing the photos here now. What ones? How many are we allowed to choose?
Per photo is $1. Per photo is 10,000.
Okay. So we'll probably get, I don't know, 5, 10, yeah. And the old clouds coming up top here. You can hear the thunder occasionally starting to rumble. So I just asked the man, do they do any mining here for the sulphur? No, they haven't for a long time. Not since the Dutch days, which is a long time ago now.
Penambangan belerang. Tapi sekarang juga ada yang diperjualbelikan di atas.
So there we are, Kawa Putin. Kawa Putin. Been there, done that. Didn't buy the t-shirt, but we can take that one off the bucket list now. Hello. You look very sad. Picture. Can we have a picture? Make you look happy. Eh? Hey. Yeah, bagus. Yeah. You taking it? Yeah. Okay. Makasih. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So the driver's just dropped us off here. Very pushy up there, so we've just walked past.
What do you want to drink?
You're going to get a drink.
Jasmine.
Get a drink of water. In here. So yeah, there we have it. That's the top of the volcano, the mountain. And they did used to mine sulphur there in the Dutch days. And you know, it amazes me how, you know, things come about. The first person that would have climbed up there, and for a start, there's so many different places around here they can climb, but they've climbed up there, and they've gone, well, there's sulphur here. I might bring a heap of more people up here, and we'll start, you know, mining it, and we'll send it back to, I don't know, fucking Holland or wherever, and sell it. You know, just all that work just to do, you know, how things come about. It's amazing. It just amazes me, actually. Just amazes me. So here we are in the sort of a market where we got dropped off. We're getting something to drink because you couldn't buy water up there. You need it, that sulphur. Flush that sulphur out of your throat. Thanks, darling.